Are you a complete yoga beginner? Do you want to start or restart your yoga journey? Or do you simply want to enjoy some yoga? Then this 7-day yoga challenge is for you. My name is Marcel and I'm very excited to have you. Today we care about our sexual health. We are starting by lying down on the floor and start to arc up from your lower spine and then round down. Incorporate the breathing into this. So as you're arcing up, breathing in, and as you're rounding down and picking up your hips a little, breathing out. Breathing in, go in your rhythm, with your breath, and then out again. You don't need to listen to my breathing instructions here, just go with your rhythm, how it feels good to you. Maybe you can feel how you can deepen this movement with your breath. Great job. And from there we're bringing the right hand to our lower belly, just above your genitals, and bring the left hand onto your chest, releasing the movement that we have been practicing right now. And just breathing in deep into the lower belly. Feeling how your right hand rises, and then breathing into your chest. Feeling how your chest expands in all the directions, to the back, to the right, to the left, and to the front. And just passively releasing without pushing the air out, but just release the muscle tension. And then in again, deep into the belly. Feel how your hand rises into the lower belly. Breathe into the lower belly, into your chest. Expand the chest in all the different sides. And slowly release, coming out of it again. Now slowly roll up and stand up in your preferred way. So slowly taking it slow, as transitioning in yoga as half of the yoga. Good. From here, bring your right hand to your hip bone and start to make circles as you would wash a dish. So, washing a dish, circles, cleaning the dishes. Good job. And from there, circling forward like you would do like a salto kind of movement. So forward, down, backward, up. Forward, down, backward, up. And other side around, backward, down, forward, up. Backward, down, forward, up. And there's one movement missing. We need to still clean the windows. So we're moving to the right, then down, then left and up. Right and down, left and up. Keeping the left hip stable, moving just the right, and also turn into the other direction. So left side down, right side up. Left side down, right side up. Good job. And change to the left hip. Bring the left hand to your left hip and start to move again. Dishes. Dirty again. And other side as well. Good. And then forward, down, backward, up, forward, down, backward, up. And other side, backward, down, forward, up, backward, down, forward, up. Good job. And now last but not least, of course, the windows again. Left side down, right side up. Left side down, right side up, and other side as well. Great job. And we're moving on. Right now, come to the front of the mat. Shift all the way to the right leg and step back with your left leg, turning it 90 degrees. Your front leg points into the middle of the back foot. Good job. Keeping your front knee over the front heel, extend your arms by your sides, opening up your hips. If the knee moves in either the left or the right direction, kind of like comes in, right? The knee is not over the kneecap anymore. Then you can point your back foot's toes a little bit forward and bring the knee again over your heel. Good job. Extend your arms. Feel strength. Breathing in deep. Look over the front hand. Extend. Feel the length from your hips to your head. Extend out of your arms. Feel the length. Good job. And slowly release, coming forward again. Shifting all the way to the left leg right here, right now. And bring your right foot to the back, turning it 90 degrees. Into Warrior 2 for the other side. And again, your front leg is in line with the middle of the back foot. Opening up your hips. If your knee kind of falls in, point your back foot's toes a little bit forward. Great job. Bring your arms by your sides. Get long from the hands. Great job. Get long from your hips to the top of the head. Again, make sure that the front knee is over the front heel. Great job. And slowly come out of it. Step forward. And right now, we're shifting all the weight again to the right leg, and you're stepping back with the left leg, but now we're not turning. Then release your knee down onto the floor. If you want to put something under your knee, you can do so. Then bring your hands over the front knee and reach up with your hips to the top of the head. Feel the length. And maybe feeling a hip flexor stretch from your hips to your knee. Right, if you feel that. Make sure your front knee is over the front heel. Maybe move your leg a little bit more forward. You're doing amazing. Keep it up. Feeling the length. And then slowly put your arms down and stand forward and bring the other leg to the back. Release your knee again down and put something under the knee if you like. Again. From there, bring your hands to your standing knee and reach up from your hips to your head. Feel the length. Breathing in deep as we did in the beginning of the yoga lesson. Breathing in deep into the belly, into the chest. Feeling the length that is created as you're breathing in deep. Maybe feeling also a hip flexor stretch. Engage your butt cheeks a little. Great. And enjoy this last 10 seconds. And then slowly coming forward again, bring your hands down, step forward. You can have your knees bent as much as you like. And then sit down on the floor and roll to the back. Roll to the back, coming to lie on your back. We're grabbing onto your right leg with your right hand to the outer edge of the foot. You can pull your knee in, leaving the left leg on the floor. Feel how the left ankle is rooted on the floor. Great. Maybe open your right leg to the side. Opening and stretching your leg to the side. And release and bring the other leg in. Grab onto the other leg, the left leg, with your left hand. Pull it in, pull the knee in. And then open it up to the side if you wish. Of course, only if your body permits. And accept wherever your body wants to go, can go to. It's amazing. Release your legs down. And bring your arms by your sides, palms are pointing up towards the sky. Feet are facing away from each other. Bring the chin a little bit to your chest. And just be in Savasana. Nothing to do here. Very important that you do this to come out of yoga again. And from there, start to move your fingers, start to move your toes, coming back to your body, maybe shifting to the right side or the left side, and then coming up to a sit and stand up if you wish to. Great job, this was day 2. Awesome. You did an awesome job. Very exciting to have you on this journey, and we're seeing each other tomorrow as we're going to do yoga for power. Feel free to join in there, and I'm very excited to see you there. Bye bye. See you soon.